channel I Learn Colors Name. Let's start. This is a orange color. This is a purple color. This is a green color. This is a blue color. This is a light green color. This is a yellow color. This is a black color. This is a pink color. This is a brown color. And this is a red color. I draw number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let's paint. Red color number 1, 2. You guess next number is 8. Number 9. I paint next number is 11. 1, 1, 11. Number 14. 1 and 4, 14. Number 16. 1 and 6, 16. Number 19. You guess next number is 5. Number 5. Number 6. Next number is number 10. Next letter is, you guess, 13. 1 and 3, 13. I paint next number is 15. 1 and 5, 15. You guess who next number? 20. 2 and 0. 2 and 0, number 20. Blue color, number 3. Number 4.
Alligator, ant, amazing art. 1, 2, 3, let's go. A, B, C, count the rhythm.
Next number is 7.
Singing all together. A, B, C, count the rhythm.
Number 12. 1 and 2, 12. Next number is 17. 1 and 7. 17. And number 18. 1 and 8. 18. Let's repeat again. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.